We are committed to staying on top of the very latest developments with teen violence in the Valley and 2 more suspects back in court in Pinal County for their alleged role in a violent assault late last year. ABC 15's Ashley Holden, the only reporter in the courtroom for their arraignments. She has more on the case and what played out in court.
This video of an apparent assault from November 2023 in a desert area is what led to the arrest and indictment of 20-year-old Jacob Pennington and 18-year-old Garrett Bagshaw.
Mr. Pennington admitted that he is associated with a violent group of people.
Court documents say Pennington hit the teen victim and then held him down while others, including Bagshaw, kicked the victim, continuing the attack. Those documents also say Pennington told deputies he was part of a group known as the Gilbert Goons.
You wanted him to be specifically prohibited from having any contact with anyone that he knows to be a member of the Gilbert Goons.
Correct, Your Honor.
Police in the East Valley and even state agencies are still working to figure out if the group can be classified as a criminal street gang.
I don't know where that came from. I don't know why they're saying Jake self-proclaims to be a part of the Gilbert Goons.
Pennington's mom, speaking exclusively with ABC 15 hours after her son's arrest earlier this month, denying her son is a part of the group. She was also in court Friday as Pennington pled not guilty, but he wouldn't answer questions as he walked out.
Anything you want to say after court? Are you a part of the Gilbert Goons?
Bagshaw also pled not guilty, his attorney giving us a motion he filed that says there's no physical or electronic evidence suggesting a connection between Bagshaw or the alleged assault and investigations involving the Gilbert Goons. I tried to ask him about that later.
That also says that he's not a part of the group, the Gilbert Goons. Can you talk about that?
After Bagshaw's arrest, Pinal County Sheriff Mark Lamb urged anyone else involved in the incident to turn themselves in. The sheriff's office telling me Friday their investigation is ongoing. Ashley Holden, ABC 15, Arizona.